Hey everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy to the OG. I know it's been a while, but thanks for tuning in. Today I just wanted to show off some quick and easy hairstyles that you could achieve for photo shoots that are relatively simple. So if you're interested, then make sure you keep watching. So sometimes for photo shoots, I'll just outright wash my hair and do it the right way. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's actually how you should do it. That's why I said it's the right way. But not everybody does it that way. In fact, I don't do it that way most of the time. After I wash my hair, I typically tend to add a few products every single time that I wash it, just to ensure that my hair is heat protected for the drying process. Something that I like to use is this Not Your Mother's Naturals Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water Weightless Mousse. I've been using this for a while now. I feel like this product really does lock in the moisture to your hair, and it does help create a heat protectiveness. Next up, my hair is pretty thin, so I like to use a thickening mousse, and I actually have the R&Co Rodeo Star Thickening Mousse. This product is really good. It does thicken up my hair a decent bit. It makes it easy to work with, and also it smells really good. It's a familiar smell. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's a very good familiar smell. I would highly recommend R&Co if you have not used them. So those are the products that I use whenever I actually do wash and dry my hair. I just put those products in and then dry it as you normally would. But for days that I have not washed my hair, I like to use a few other products. So let me go over those. So of course I use a dry shampoo. I picked this one up the other day. This is the Bombshell Dry Shampoo by Pearlescence. And it's a volumizing dry shampoo. I don't know if this is actually picking up, but I just started using it. It seems to work well. It is a dry shampoo. I got it for $7 at Marshall's, and would highly recommend if you are doing photo shoots, get you some dry shampoo. Next up, I highly recommend this for anybody who wants to add volume to their hair. This is the Chi Magnified Volume Finishing Spray. I use this very often. I'm actually gonna add some to my hair right now. Pretty much I just flip my hair over, hold it out, spray and flip. Then I'll grab a few bunches. Do this as if you were going to add hairspray to your hair for teasing. Now this product is really good. I gotta work with it a little bit. It does add a lot of volume. The only thing I do not like about this product is the smell. However, it is fantastic for what it is. So now that my hair has volume in it, I'm going to show you some products that I like to use to work with it. Since my hair is pretty straight, it's really easy to get it straightened all the way. I like to use this Amica mini straightening brush. This is part of their limited series, so I'm not too sure if they still have this product, but pretty much what you do, you plug it into the wall, you flip up this button, it heats up right here on this pad, and then you just brush through your hair. Pretty simple to use. I actually really like this. Also, it comes with this little travel case that you can put it in, so it's super handy. If I have some extra time in my routine, I like to curl my hair, so let me show you what tool I use for that. I found that since I have super thin hair, a thin curler that has no clip is what is best for me as far as curling my hair. I don't know if that's what's best for you, but for me, I like to use a clipless wand, and pretty thin clipless wand. This one is from Luxe Beauty, and pretty much you just take a strand of your hair and curl it around. I'm going the opposite way of what it's supposed to be. Sorry, but you get the point. I will section off my hair with these Salon Care sectioners, and I will pull my hair back, then pull some to the front, clip one in, and then go like this. Also, since this is a clipless wand, it does come with a glove. This is a heat protection glove so that you could actually touch this wand while you're curling your hair. I find that that is super helpful. Now that I've shown you some tools, let me show you a few more products and then we'll jump into some styling. Sometimes I'll use a leave-in conditioner like these. I got these at Sally's. One is from Headwear and then the other one is from Daily Dose. They're both pretty good, but I don't use them too often, so I can't give you a full-on review of them, but definitely would recommend some kind of leave-in conditioner for your hair. So if you just want to add a little bit of color, but you are really scared about the commitment of dyeing your hair, I would recommend these Colorista Sprays. I got these on sale at Walmart, as you could tell, but pretty much you just use them like a hairspray and they go in your hair, leave a little bit of dye, and it's a fun way to add a pop of color. However, if you are going out and you're going to be sweating, I would not recommend using these if you're going to be sweating in the hot sun. They do bleed a little bit, so keep that in mind if you use the Colorista Sprays. They're perfect for photo shoots, not necessarily perfect for all-day wear. I'm not a pro stylist by any means. I do like to spruce up my hair every now and again and give it a different, fresh style. However, I'm no pro, but here are some quick and easy photo shoot styles that you can achieve very quickly. First, I'll take some clips like these and I'll take my hairbrush. I use a big paddle brush. I'll pull my hair back to the side. And I just pull it back on the side that my hair is the thinnest on. Then just pop a clip right above the ear. Sometimes I'll add more than one. So super simple, super easy. But it looks nice, it looks classy, it looks chic. So that is the simplest go-to hairstyle for me. I love just sleeking back the side, leaving one side simple, and adding some clips. Another thing that is super easy that you could do, anybody could do it with hair, add a headband. The headband really gets your hair out of your face. It opens up your eyes. So this is great for makeup photo shoots if that is what you are interested in. Like I said, it opens up your face and it gives you a nice, classy look. Next, we're gonna take it back to the early 2000s and the late 90s with these alligator clips. Anybody can use these with hair. You just pull half of your hair back. You're gonna wanna separate the rest of it to the front, or for the most part to the front. Open your clip. Secure the hair. And there you go, half up, half down. And no ponytail holder. Next, your head all the way over. It doesn't have to be perfect. Bunch your hair up and immediately twist into a messy bun. It'd help if I had a hair tie. And then pull 2 strands down. You could curl these with your curler if you'd like, or just pull them down. I feel like it frames your face better. Oh no, my battery's dying. Let me go get another battery real quick. I'm sorry if this last section of the video is a little jumbled. It's been a while since I have filmed and my batteries, they're just dying on me. I don't know why, but it's been a while since I filmed. I'll figure it out whenever I continue. However, let's continue with this video. And the last hairstyle I'm gonna do is one where I have to part my hair down the middle. Let's jump into it. I've got a middle part going on, and I'm gonna flip my head over, and we're doing space buns. Take your hair. Once you have your head flipped over, section it out into 2 even parts and pull it up like a messy bun. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's space buns. There you go. Sometimes I'll pull down the hair like I do with my messy bun. Sometimes I'll curl it, sometimes I won't. But there you go. So if you like what you saw, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Maybe leave me a comment, and I will see you all again in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
And go from there.